Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make some pastrami. So the first part of the recipe is already made in another video where I showed you how to make corned beef, because pastrami is just corned beef which is rubbed and then smoked. Okay, so I show you now the first part for the brine of the pastrami. So where does the corned beef comes from? The name corned beef, it comes from the corns. The corns, these are the seeds that we use in the brine, because the corned beef is brined for maybe 12 to 14 days, between 7 and 14 days in the brine. And in that brine we use a lot of seeds. We use a mustard seed, cilantro seeds, dill seeds, and so and so. And so I will give you the full recipe of all the spices that we use. And for that pink color that you will find in the corned beef and in the pastrami, we will use a lot of salt and some pink salt for that color. You can use the butcher number 1 or whatever you want. In French we call that nitrate salt, but you need that salt to get that bright color. So for corned beef or pastrami, the best piece of meat to use is a brisket. So if you just have a flat brisket like this one, it will be perfect. You cannot smoke it on the barbecue anyway, because it will be too thin and too lean. So we will use it for corned beef and pastrami. So the first thing to do is to remove the fat, the hard fat from the meat, and then we will make a brine. For the brine, we will need a bit more than 1 gallon of water, 1 cup of brown sugar, and or pickling spice. I give you the whole recipe in the description here and there, and we will 5 or 6 garlic cloves smashed, and then we will brine the meat for between 7 and 14 days. So by flipping the meat every day in the brine. All right, let's go. To remove the hard fat, you need to feel it on the meat. So here we have a big piece of hard fat. So I will remove it, but you don't have to remove all the fat like you do on the briskets. Here also. To make the brine, it's really easy. You just boil the water and mix the brown sugar and then the pickling spice to dissolve the sugar and the salt, and you let it cool, and then we will be able to brine the meat. Okay, the water is boiling, so now we will add the sugar and our pickling spices and let dissolve that, and then let it cool. Okay. So as soon as the brine is cold, I will just put the meat inside the brine and put that in the fridge for between 7 and 14 days by flipping the meat every day, okay? So it's about 10 days that the brisket is brining. Now I will remove it, rinse it with clear water, and then I will put it back in clear water in that container, okay? Just for the night, and tomorrow we will be able to smoke it. So I cleaned the brisket with clear water. So now I put it back in clear water, and tomorrow morning we will be able to rub it and to smoke it to finally have our great pastrami. So now we just have to make the rub. The description of the ingredients of the rub is here and there in the description. Okay, so we will just rub the meat, let it rest for maybe 15 to 17 hours in the fridge with the rub, and then tomorrow we will be able to smoke it until an internal temperature of 203 Fahrenheit degrees, which is about 93 Celsius degrees. Okay, so let's go for the rub. It's really easy to do. So now we just have to rub the meat like the way you do on any other meat. Very easy. Press well to let the rub penetrate. So now I will just put the meat back in the fridge until tomorrow, uncovered. All right. You can see that beautiful pink color thanks to the pink salt, and I will show you this week how to make the ribbon sandwich, which is the most famous way to use the pastrami. Okay. You can see the meat that is bending on my finger. It's so tender, so juicy. It's like a great brisket, and it's so good. I hope you really appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.